One other thing is, and whenever we import data from other systems, including many of them that you guys are using, the one that you guys are typically using, um, there is the mailing name and the greeting fields. If you click on the little contact card here, the little icon for this allows you to change out that mailing name and greeting field. Make sure that you guys know about that. And if you do change, like if you've got a spouse and you're putting it in this case, um, it puts it in with both their names. If you change it here and you go to your spouse, it'll be changed in there as well. So I do link those two, but we're really planning on adding other ones to be able to do the same thing. But changing one record isn't always the case. Typically in mailing name and greeting, it is though. Kids.
Okay, that's nice. So that's gonna work very good when we do our mailing labels.
Yes. Now, one thing that we didn't have until recently was in the contact list itself. If you wanted to see that mailing name and greeting field, I didn't have it in there. It's kind of a hidden field because, I mean, we use it in the labels, mailing name and greeting, but it just wasn't a field that was being shown. Now, whenever you come in here and look at your fields, mailing name and greeting. So if I put that in there and click on OK, then you can see the mailing name greeting. You can also see the ones that don't have it by default. Actually, yeah. So these two, husband and wife, they have the same mailing name and greeting. Husband and wife, same mailing name and greeting. If you change one, it changes the other. These other ones don't have values in them, but whenever we do print labels, we make the assumption of the mailing name and greeting for you. So this just allows you to kind of bypass what the assumed mailing name and greeting is.